step 1 is cleanse, just to make sure there's no oils, as well as just let them air dry for a moment. Next we're taking the lift cream and we're just going to saturate the brow. And I'm just going to comb these up again, just to start moving the brow hairs where I want them. I'm going to cover these babies with some cling film and let that process for 5 to 8 minutes. I'm going to take our cotton pad and just remove that product in an upwards motion. Next step is to take your spoolie brush and just brush your brow hairs into place. Now we take the fix cream, taking this on a fresh applicator, and again in upwards motion, just coating the brow with some fresh cling film strips, and we're just going to process these for another 5 to 8 minutes. Again, removing that in an upwards motion. Now at this point I'm going to trim my brows up, just where they're a little bit long and crazy. Next is tint. So in our little mixing bowl we're going to mix equal parts activator and tint. I'm taking brown. Just going to saturate that brush and start shaping. Now this is when, if you'd like, you can take your stencils. I'm just going to follow my natural shape. If you make any mistakes, you can just take a cotton bud and just kind of tidy up. The tint is on, they look very bold. While this is processing, I am going to just pluck a few little hairs here, just helps make it look nice and sharp. Now this says to leave for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to go for 5 because I don't want them over tinted. Taking some more cleanser on a cotton pad, which will remove the tint. I do feel as though it's bleached my eyebrows ever so slightly. Final step is to take the Nourish. It's like a gel product. And that is my final result. I think this kit is so fun and I love being able to do my brows at home and save so much money compared to going to a salon.